We want to find the magnitude of the force T if the object accelerates in the direction shown at 2 meters per second squared. The first thing we should note is that R must be equal to 5 newtons, since there's no acceleration vertically on this diagram. Now let's consider F equals ma. Horizontally, we've got T and 10 acting in the direction of the acceleration, and 16 acting in the opposite direction. So now we have the resultant force. That's going to be equal to the mass times the acceleration. So that's going to be 5 times 2. Therefore, T minus 6 is equal to 10, giving me that T is equal to 16 newtons.